Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. I believe this is number 6, I would say. Because the freaking days have changed. 6 or 7, one of those. Well, anyhow, we are going to be looking at February 2024 STL files for D&D, Warhammer proxies, and figures as well. If you do enjoy, please leave a like and subscribe. Check out our Patreon Discord down the bottom. And if there will be a link down below for all of these that we'll be looking at. And yeah, let's start with it. We got Lord Zochi. It's another figure. We're going to have Kumura. And I think these two are already out. The Chung Li. And there was, I think, one more in Cami as well. So these three will be out. Kurma might take a little bit longer, but who can say no to Chung Li? I know few people that can, but her thigh, her thighs save lives. That saying. Next is digital dark pinups, and why is a lot of these freaking blacked out? Okay, so we got a fairy model. And they do come in food test size as well, just letting you know. We already got that, the fairy. I don't know what's coming out. Harley Quinn, fairy riding, food test sorcerers, Harley Quinn. Zelda will be a March model. Angel Lamont and Laura Croft sketch Lady Devimon. So, don't know. I'll put it down. If you want to pay $1 to see what they have behind the scenes, go for it. Pixieland 3D is another anime figure as well. For this, I don't think we have anything that's coming out. Announcement, there will be no new STL file for the month of February. I apologize that, therefore I will pause the subscription to my Patreon until March when the project will return. Okay, I'll put the link down if you still want to check them out. Daybreak Miniatures for February. I think we have getting Vikings. So we have Vikings Barbarian for your D&D game if you like it, and there looks like a bog or a swamp type elemental golem for you guys as well. Next is Print Your Monsters. They're not going to have anything out till like the last week of the month, and they have some pretty good model. Like they have the ice elemental stuff, like the goblins, giants, and the serpent. But check them out by the end of the month, and you can see their models coming out as well. Model current for this month. I don't know why. There we go. CA 3D Studio, another figure as well. We got Orin from Baldur's Gate 3. This will load. There we go. Orin. So if you like Orin, I like to kill a lot. Sky Saw. That's Akira, isn't it? I don't know what that anime's from. We got Arnold Schwarzenegger from Terminator. So the February one is going to have Cora, Rebecca, X-23, Oren. Forgot this girl that has the power to do sparkles. I think that's from Elden Ring, Terminator, and Magneto for it. So yeah, those are what's going to be coming out for CA3D Studio. Community link. I'll read that later. Penske Miniature. This is the February release for it. I don't know what they have. I think 12 days of free stuff that's coming out as well. Working bro. Okay, this is the welcome pack. That's the Cyberpunk pack. Elite, well, the just drop Chip Troopers, and this is the last month one. And this is, let's see here, Lost Clan. This is the Predator, one of the Predator ships. Colonel, and you have the free random gifts. So you have a Marine with the face hugger popped out. I think this is this month as well. So there's going to be a lot of stuff. Armored Sister, that's Kickstarter that's coming out ending on March 3rd. We got Rebecca from Jill from Resident Evil as well, with very big knockers. The Dragon Tappers Lodge. We have, let's see here, The Hunt for the Last Sea Angel and the Chosen of the Kami. So we have the sea serpent, a giant ass kraken back there, a lot of tentacles, and a whole bunch of other stuff. Looks like it. And we have the Oriental version of D&D stuff, like the Oni, giant boar with the house on top and the dragons. So we'll look at some of the collectible blue sea drake. Oh, the Cersei worm. That's a nice ship. So yeah. Sea Angel, the Kraken, tentacles, muttons. Ugh. No. Muttons. We have the Captain Morbius, Flint Dwarven Tapper, Selenus Sea Witch, the Rat Folk Fencer, Elf Pirates, Dread Captain Zolan, the Wishless, Hobgoblin Pirates, Harpy Pirates, Boomy Van Aaron Pirates, Goblin Pirates, Orc Pirates, Rhino Folk Pirates, Blobfish Mermaid. That's sexy, isn't it? With a little shell on his nipples. We have the Wind Dragon, Spirit Boar, Enlightened Kensai, Enlightened Kensai, Sword Masters, Archers, Sumo, Sumo guys with axes, the big ass sword. That's actually pretty cool with different variants of it. And you get the Dragonkin Pure Blood. Next is Gamok. This one is also proxy for Age of Sigmar, Old Fantasy now, and now the Warhammer 40k as well. So we have, it looks like, with the styles, Old World for your. I don't know what do you call the. I don't know. I don't know much about the Old World. I knew about them growing up. It's just I never really got into the lore of it. So just letting you guys know. But you guys can print some stuff for your Old Worlds. Because a lot of them are sold out or ridiculous expensive, and these are also 40k for Space Marines. Looks like it. Here's your version of the Necrons. It's pretty cool for it. I want to see the whole thing. Huh. Well, hopefully I'll get the whole thing. For a few days left until the release. So 5 days ago. So I don't think the full thing is released yet. Cribbly God Foundry. Another D&D miniatures as well. I think we're getting a lot of. They got sci-fi as well. So this one is, I think, Beast, Mutant Beast, or Chaos Beast, and these are your sci-fi ones. So you got different types of like goat folks and boar folks. There's your welcome package and your welcome. Some of these stuff you can actually proxy for your game as well. Next is Arcane Minis. Hopefully they get some stuff out in their ship, but they got a Capybara Mage Druid, let's say T-Rex covered in fern, Skybreaker, another Capybara Mage, and fighters. If you want some Capybara folks in your game, there you go. A Solar Science Vessel. That's actually pretty cool looking. Lie Weaver, Maka Elite, Maka War Priest, Moonshard Golem, Mud Golem, and your Stargate. Voidbore Nelix, Voidbro Paratilix. There you go. For it. Peach figure, another anime figure, Lude. We have Psylocke that's coming up as well. And there's a full body Psylocke right there. Very good looking model. This is Dorta from the new Castlevania animation from Netflix. I haven't watched the new one yet, but this looks really hot. And there you go. And I might get, whatever for it. But yeah, those two are it for it. We'll do like, I think, one more because we have a lot of Patreon to go through. We already did CA. STL project for this month is Anya. If you're interested, the adult version of Anya. Next is Legion for Marvel and DC. For it, there's Batgirl. I think that's Lobos. Forgot the guy from the Lazarus Pit guy's name. Uh, there's a lot. Like Harley Quinn. I cannot remember all of their freaking names. Age and everything. There's Iceman. There's Vulture. Yeah. Yeah. Very good models. Blade. Cat Girl. Or Black Cat. Well, anyhow, hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. And I hope you guys have a great day. Take care. Talk to you later. Bye.